Welcome to Truehost Academy, your go-to source for business tips and tech-driven strategies. In today's video, we'll be looking into a game changer for entrepreneurs: how to write a business plan using ChatGPT. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. In today's fast-paced business world, having a strong business plan is a must. It's your roadmap, helping you set goals, attract investors, and make better decisions. But if the thought of writing a business plan feels overwhelming, don't worry, we've got ChatGPT to help. First things first, let's break down the key components of a business plan. Your plan should include an executive summary, a company description, market analysis, organizational structure, marketing strategy, product line, and financial projections. Each part plays a vital role in giving your business a clear direction. But don't worry, ChatGPT can help guide you through each one. Let's see how it works. Sometimes the hardest part is getting started. That's where ChatGPT shines. You can ask it to help brainstorm ideas for my business plan, and in seconds it will generate fresh ideas. For example, if you're stuck on how to write your executive summary, just ask ChatGPT, "What should I include in the executive summary for my startup?" It'll give you the main points to cover, like your mission, products, and leadership. The executive summary is one of the most important sections of your business plan. It's the first thing investors will read. To draft it with ChatGPT, simply type, "Write an executive summary for a type of business," and you'll get a concise, engaging draft tailored to your needs. This saves you time and ensures that you capture the essence of your business in a clear and powerful way. Next up, market analysis. This section is all about understanding your competition and target audience. With ChatGPT, you can get insights quickly. Ask it questions like, "What are the current trends in your industry?" or "Who are my competitors in your business?" Using this data, you can position your business for success. Your business plan also needs a clear organizational structure. This section outlines your management team and their roles. ChatGPT can help you describe this effectively by asking it to outline the management structure for my business. Easy, right? Marketing strategies are key to reaching customers. ChatGPT can generate ideas based on your industry. Ask it for social media tactics, email campaigns, or advertising tips. You can even request, "What are effective marketing strategies for a retail store?" and get ideas right away. These tips help you create a strong strategy to attract and retain customers. Finally, financial projections. This part shows investors how you plan to make money. ChatGPT can guide you by typing, "Help me create financial projections for my business," and it'll help you outline revenue, expenses, and cash flow projections. With this tool, you can confidently present a solid financial plan. Once you have all the sections done, review them carefully. ChatGPT can even help you proofread and suggest improvements. Just ask, "Proofread my business plan and suggest any changes." This ensures your business plan is polished and professional. In conclusion, using ChatGPT to write a business plan can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. It simplifies the process by guiding you through the key sections such as the executive summary, market analysis, organizational structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. ChatGPT helps you generate fresh ideas, streamline content, and ensure your plan is clear and effective. From brainstorming to drafting and proofreading, this tool saves time and helps you present a polished, professional business plan that can attract investors and guide your business to success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips on growing your business with technology. Thanks for watching and see you next time.